This is my Northern Tools Ultra Tow 4x8 aluminum utility trailer. I fashioned some ATV ramps to the sides to act as ramps and sides if needed. I used 1-inch aluminum square tubing as an upright and basic frame, and used wing nuts for easy access and removal, jamb nuts inside to keep the studs where they need to be. The crossbar needs to be removable so I can load my garbage cans, and I don't have the eye bolts fashioned here yet, but I will use the crossbars to hold a kayak down here as well as a second kayak up here. The Miata has an absolute 0 tow rating, so I needed it to be as lightweight as possible. The trailer is about 190 pounds from the manufacturer. I've added probably 30 or 40, if that, in aluminum tubing and ramps, so it pulls really well. Four by 8 Ultra Tow aluminum utility trailer from Northern Tools.